Today I am going to be drawing an elephant out of a square. So first, you're going to draw the head, which is going to be a square. You got that? Now you're going to draw some eyes. Then come over here, draw that. Then make a little mouth. Use this line right here and go out. And the trunk. And then you're going to go over here and draw some floppy ears. Then we're going to draw some details. And then, now you're drawing the body. Then you're going to come over here and then this. E. And then a little tail. Then you're going to draw a butterfly. One more thing. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Keep drawing.